Here we got the two 9.5 blanks we have in stock and on the website. So first we start with the old one. The old one is the 9.5 flat for flat rocker. As you can see here, you can do the typical nose rider, longboards, more the old school stuff. There is a bit of tail rocker inside, but a pretty flat nose rocker. So here we have the more performance board rocker profile. As you can see, the nose rocker is way more. So here we can fit in more performance boards. Let's get them together. As you can see, this one is pretty flat here, and this one makes a bit more nose rocker curve. Both are pretty versatile still, as you can see, thick nose and tail, but these are also our hand shaping versions that are not super thick, so you don't have a lot to shape. That is also pretty cool. For all the hand shapers, that is the blank you may use in future. So doesn't matter as the flat rocker version or the high rocker version, both pretty nice, really detailed and ready to hand shape or CNC cut, whatever you want.